Hey guys, it's Trippy. Welcome to the video. For today's video, myself and Connor went to visit Mevagissey. Now, for the first time, I believe I'm going to split this into a two-parter because when we got there, the weather was hit and miss. It'd be raining 1 second, then sunny, and then it started hailing down, and then it was sunny again. And Mevagissey, because it's a harbour village, or harbour town I should say, you can either kind of go left or right. We went to the right of the harbour and followed the coastline along there and found this little beach, which is quite a long walk, but it doesn't seem to actually have a name. There's a place called Chapel Point Lane, so I'm just going to call it Chapel Point Beach, but strangely on Google there just isn't a name for it that I could find. You'll see the clip on the video anyway, so maybe you guys can name it for me. But yeah, we didn't have time to go to the left side of Mevagissey, so we're going to revisit that soon, hopefully tomorrow. As I record this, it's Friday. So yeah, it's just going to be mine and Connor's walk along. There's some really good views along, and as you guys know, I really love like harbour villages and towns, so to visit a place like this, I really enjoyed it. So hope you guys enjoyed the sights and the sounds, and I'll hopefully see you soon with part 2, but there may be other videos in between there because I actually need to go over there and record it as I'm speaking this. So yeah, with all that, I'll crack on with the video.
I guess this is where you just say don't look down. Oh, we're on a hill. I guess if it did fall, we can roll down the grass. Yeah, I don't think I'd get Lisa on this. What's that, rubbish? Yeah. This is like the perfect, I was going to say perfect takeoff spot here. Yeah. You can see like the rocks go like sort of down and across under the water. I saw a sign about no water skiing in certain areas.
Maybe it is those like rocks close to the surface. What are those seagulls sitting on?
Oh no, I couldn't tell if it was like furniture or something, or if it's just a bit of like cage just falling off someone's boat. But I mean the wind has died down, it's not raining. I'd be tempted to take off from here.
Get some good shots around here.
Oh, look how clear the water is.
It's really super clear. Maybe it's because we're seeing it from the drone's perspective.
Not too shabby of a view. Oh, there's like old steps there, just been weathered away. That won't be bad on the back garden, just walk down to where the sea is. I'm always paranoid. I've seen too many videos on YouTube where the sheep headbutt people. You want to show?
It's got a lovely jump.